Hi friends, this is Raja from Artivision Academy. Today we are going to see the topic is geometry. So in previous classes we are seeing the geometry, triangles, lines, circles, something whatever. So now we are going to see properties of triangles and some constructions and properties something about. So first I am going to start recall ourselves in previous classes what we are seeing. So first we are going to recall geometry. So geometry. First, plane. What is plane? Plane is a surface. Plane is a surface. Is a surface. Next, line. A line is a set of infinite number of points. Set of points. Set of points. Line segment. Third one is line segment. So what is meant by line segment? Is a part of a line. Take is a line. This is line. So this is line segment A and B. It has two endpoints. Endpoint A and endpoint B is called as a line segment. Ray. This is the line. This is a point A. It has one point. This is point B. AB is a ray. It has only one endpoint. It has only one endpoint. Coplanar lines. Two or more lines lying on the same plane. Two or more lines lying on the same plane is called as a coplanar lines. Next, intersecting lines. Two lines which meet each other. Two lines which meet each other. That is called as a intersect line. Next, angle. What does it mean by angle? Angle is a two rays which meet are said to be form an angle. Two rays. This is ray 1. This is ray 2. They are meet at a point. That is makes an angle. Is an intersecting point is called as an angle. Next we are going to see what is the types of angle. It is acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle and straight angle. First one, acute angle, obtuse angle, right angle, straight angle. So acute angle less than 90 degree. So 90 degree below is called as acute angle. Greater than 90 degree is called as a obtuse angle. Equal to 90 degree is called as a right angle. Equal to 180 degree is called as a straight angle. Next we are going to see perpendicular lines. Two lines said to be perpendicular. Line 1 and line 2. So I am going to take line 1. This is line 2. It makes an angle 90 degree is called line 1 and line 2 L1 and L2 are perpendicular. So L1 perpendicular to L2. ரெண்டு லைன் மீட் பண்ணும்போது 90 degree make ஆச்சுன்னா that lines are called as a perpendicular lines. Next we are going to see parallel lines. Parallel lines. Two coplanar lines do not meet two coplanar lines. Next நம்ம பார்க்குற டாபிக் என்ன? Parallel lines. Two coplanar lines do not meet. That called as a parallel lines. So perpendicular lines na they meet at exactly 90 degree is called as a perpendicular line. Two coplanar lines do not meet is called as a parallel lines. Next we are going to see complementary angles. Complementary angles. Sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree. Sum of two angles is equal to 90 degree is called as a complementary angle. Next we are going to see supplementary angles. Sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree is called as a supplementary angle. Next we are going to see adjacent angle. What does it mean by adjacent angle? Adjacent angle. Let us take one example. This is line, this one, this. So this and this and this and this. X, Y and Z. Here X and Y are adjacent angles. Y and Z are adjacent angles. So adjacent angle na enna na ஒரு line ஒரு ray வந்து angle divide பண்ணுது அப்படினா these two angles are called as adjacent angles. So simple. Next linear pair. What does mean by linear pair? A pair of angles is adjacent. A pair of angles is adjacent is called as a linear pair. Next we are going to see vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angle. So first, vertically opposite angle means two straight lines meet at only one point. Then angles are called as vertically opposite angle. X and Y degree is called as a vertically opposite angles. These angles must be equal. X degree is equal to Y degree. Next is the most important topic, transversal. Transversal means what? A straight line intersecting a pair of parallel lines. A pair of parallel lines. A straight line intersecting two adjacent points. Is a transversal for two given lines. So what are the conditions to be followed here? These lines L1 and L2. So L1 is parallel to L2. This is T is a transversal. So first I am going to define the conditions. This is angle. So write down the names 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we are check the conditions. Angle 1, angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 are interior. Angle 1 and angle 2, angle 7 and angle 8 are exterior angles. Angle 3, angle 4, angle 5, angle 6 are interior angles. So in the nalo exterior angles, 3, 4, 5, 6 nalo interior angles. Angle 1, angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8. These all are corresponding angle. Angle 1 and angle 3, angle 1, angle 3, angle 2, angle 4, angle 5, angle 7, angle 6, angle 8 are vertically opposite angle. Vertically opposite angles. So next என்ன பார்க்கலாம் அப்படின்னா alternate interior angles. 4 and 6. Angle 4 and angle 6 are alternate interior angles. Angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate interior angles. Alternate exterior angles. Angle 1 and angle 7, angle 7, angle 2 and angle 8. These all are exterior angles, alternate exterior angles. So idhula L1 and L2 ங்கிறது parallel lines இருந்துச்சுனா corresponding angles are equal, alternate interior angles are equal, alternate exterior angles are equal. Sum of exterior angles on the same side is 180 degree. Sum of interior angles on the same side is 180 degree. So these conditions all are followed by the lines are parallel. இப்போ நம்ம ட்ரா பண்ணியிருந்தோம் இல்லையா லைன். ஸோ இந்த ரெண்டு லைனும் பேரலல் லைனாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா L1 and L2 பேரலாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா corresponding angles are equal, vertically opposite angles are equal, and then sum of interior angles of the same side is 180 degree, sum of exterior angles of the same side is 180 degree. So this condition is followed by the lines should be parallel. Next we are going to see triangles. Next we are going to see triangles. So triangles we know the triangles of the types. So triangles அது நம்ம லாஸ்ட் கிளாஸ்லேயே கொஞ்சம் டீட்டெயில்டாக பார்த்துருக்கோம். ஸ்கேலன் ட்ரையாங்கிள், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் திங்க் ஸ்கேலன், செகண்ட் திங்க் ஐசோஸ்கேல்ஸ், third think equilateral. So based on sides, scale and triangle na all sides are different, isoscale na two sides are equal, equilateral na three sides are equal. இது வந்து sides based triangles three categories பிரிக்கிறோம். மூணாவது angle based நம்ம மூணு டைப்பா பிரிக்க முடியும் triangles. So first think acute angle, acute angled triangle, and second think obtuse angle triangle, third think and right angle. So இது வந்து less than 90 degree இருந்தது அப்படின்னா, less than 90 degree is greater than 90 degree, any one angle is equal to 90 degree for any one angle is called as a right angle triangle அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்லி categories பார்த்துருக்கோம். இதில் ஐசோஸ்கேல் ரைட் ஆங்கிள் ட்ரையாங்கிள்னு ஒன்று இருக்குது. ஐசோஸ்கேல் ரைட் ஆங்கிள் ட்ரையாங்கிள்னா, ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் த ட்ரையாங்கிள், இதோட பேஸ் ரெண்டு ஈக்குவலாக, இந்த ரெண்டு ஆங்கிள் ஈக்குவலாக இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா தீஸ் டூ சைட்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல் மீன்ஸ் ஐசோஸ்கேல் ட்ரையாங்கிள். ஸோ எனி ஒன் ஆங்கிள் இஸ் 90 டிகிரி இஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் ஐசோஸ்கேல் ரைட் ஆங்கிள் ட்ரையாங்கிள் அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்கிறோம். நெக்ஸ்ட்டு சில தியரம்ஸை நம்ம ரீகால் பண்ண போகிறோம். சில தியரம்ஸ், இட்ஸ் நாட் இட்ஸ் a theorem or else properties. How can you understand? Is it okay? So first think the sum of three angles of a triangle is 90 degree. Sum of angles is equal to 180 degree. Sum of angle is equal to 180 degree is the theorem of that triangle. Next, the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of interior angles. The exterior angles, I will take one triangle here. The exterior angle is equal to sum of the interior angles. This is, so sum of these three angles is equal to this. Next we are going to see quadrilaterals. So next topic நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போறோம் அப்படின்னா quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral is a basically four-sided polygon. We are saying quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon. It has angles. So sum of angles, sum of angle is equal to 360 degree. 360 degree is a four-sided polygon. Different types of quadrilateral. So types, என்னெல்லாம் types இருக்குது அப்படிங்கிறத நம்ம கொஞ்சம் டீட்டெயிலாக பார்க்கலாம். So first thing is a trapezium. Trapezium, listen my words, is a purely understanding. Trapezium is a only one pair is parallel. One pair is a parallel. ஒரு பேர் வந்து parallel இருந்ததுன்னா trapezium அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ செகண்ட் ஒன் வந்து ஐசோஸ்கேல் parallel, ஐசோஸ்கேல் trapezium அப்படின்னா என்னென்னா one pair is parallel and two sides are equal. Two sides are equal அப்படி இருந்ததுன்னா இட்ஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் ஐசோஸ்கேல் trapezium அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறோம். தேர்ட் ஒன் என்ன அப்படின்னா parallelogram. Parallelogram அப்படிங்கிறது என்னென்னா quadrilateral if both pairs opposite sides are parallel. Opposite sides are parallel. ஆப்போசிட் சைட்ஸ் வந்து பேரலாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா இட்ஸ் கால்ட் அஸ் a parallelogram அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். Next we are going to see rectangle. So next we are going to see rectangle. Rectangle என்ன அப்படின்னா one angle is 90, one angle is right angle, then it is called as a rectangle. One angle is 90 degree. அதாவது ஒரு parallelogram தான் நம்ம rectangle சொல்கிறோம். So simply say angle is 90 degree is called as a rectangle. Here also opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are equal. Then it has one more property is here. Then angle of one angle is 90 degree. One angle is 90 degree is called as a rectangle. So ரொம்ப சிம்பிளா புரிஞ்சுக்கிற மாதிரி சொல்லணும் அப்படின்னா parallelogramமும் rectangle is similar to the figure. Opposite sides are parallel and opposite sides are equal. Diagonals does not equal in parallelogram. Diagonals equal in rectangle. All the angles are 90 degree in rectangle. இவ்வளோ தான் ரெக்டாங்கிளுக்கும் பேரலோகிராமுக்குள்ள வித்தியாசம். அடுத்ததாக நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது என்ன அப்படின்னா ரோம்பஸ். ஸோ ரோம்பஸ்னால் என்ன? ரோம்பஸ் அண்ட் ஸ்கொயர் இது ரெண்டும் ஒரே கம்பேரிசன். ஆல் ஃபோர் சைட்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல். ஆல் ஃபோர் சைட்ஸ் ஆர் ஈக்குவல் in rhombus and all four sides are equal in square. Diagonals does not equal. இங்கே diagonal also equal. This kind of shape is called as a difference between the rhombus and square. Rhombus பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் நாலு சைடு ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும், by diagonals not equal இருக்கும். But square பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் all the sides are equal and also the diagonals also equal. Each one is have 90 degree. Kite அப்படிங்கிறது என்ன? So finally we are going to see kite. Kite is another shape. It is a quadrilateral if two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. Two pairs of adjacent sides, not a opposite side. Two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. இதுவும் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும் and இதுவும் ஈக்குவலாக இருக்கும். So this is called as a kite. இங்கெல்லாம் opposite sides are equal and all sides are equal பார்த்தோம். இங்கே two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. அப்படி இருந்ததுன்னா is called as a kite அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்கிறோம். ஸோ இதுதான் different types of parallelogram. Thank you everyone.